How to deposit money on Binance on PC. So first of all, make sure you are logged into your account. Now from here, as you can see, you see this deposit option. Now click on it. Now after that, click on buy with MEXC. As you can see, so here, this is my currency country. Now you can find here your country currency. It depends on your country. Now click on buy with MEXC. And as you can see here, select the option of buy-in because you want to deposit money on your Binance account. Now from here, enter how much you want to buy. And as you can see, this is, they tell me the minimum amount is 250. Now we'll enter 300. And this is how much I will receive of USDT. Now, as you can see, the payment method, make sure to select it. And as you can see here, click on view more if you don't find it here. And now, as you can see, select your payment method, depends on your country. And after you select it, for example, I will select this bank and click on confirm. Now, after that, click on buy USDT. And now, as you can see, successful place order. Now they will redirect you to P2P here to complete your order. As you can see here, now you can contact this seller to be able to transfer to transfer the money to their account, and they will transfer the USDT to your account. Now the other option is by going to trade and go to P2P. Now from here, select buy because you want to deposit money on your Binance. Now select the coin or the crypto that you want to buy. For me, I will select USDT. Now select the currency that you want to deal with on your country. As you can see, now here they will show you all the providers that you can select one or select one of them. Now make sure to see this verified, so bronze merchant, because this provider it's more trust one. Now after that, click on buy USDT, and as you can see here, select your bank account. From here, as you can see, my bank account is this, and make sure to follow all of the instruction of this seller. And after that, you can here enter how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will receive. And after that, click on buy USDT, and this is how to deposit money on Binance in PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.